Welcome to the channel. Today we are back with an amazing story. Hit like and subscribe. In a peaceful meadow, a tiny dragon named Drizzle had a big problem. He couldn't stop sneezing. Each sneeze sent little fireballs flying, scaring the animals and burning flowers. "We need to help Drizzle," said Squeaky the caterpillar. Pip the sparrow added, "Let's figure out why he's sneezing." First, they checked Drizzle's favorite flowers, but they seemed normal. Achoo! Drizzle sneezed, nearly setting Pip's feathers on fire. Next, they checked the pond, but the water was clear. "It's not the flowers or the water," said Pip, puzzled. Then the buzzing bees arrived. "It's the sparkly flowers near our hive," said the queen bee. Pip flew closer, sneezed herself, and realized the glitter dust from the flowers was causing the problem. Drizzle offered to help. Using his tiny flames, he carefully cleared a path around the flowers. With the animals' help, they moved the sparkly flowers to a faraway mountain. Back in the meadow, Drizzle stopped sneezing. Everyone celebrated with games and laughter. "Thanks for helping me," Drizzle said. "And thanks for being the best dragon friend," Pip replied. From that day on, Drizzle was the meadow's hero. Teamwork and kindness can solve any problem.